Hola everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Jesus and this is Weirdo Beauty. Today's nail art is inspired by the trans pride flag. In January, beauty YouTuber Nikkie Tutorials came out as transgender, and I have to quickly say that I'm so happy and so proud of her. And if you want to watch her video, I'll link it in the description and leave a little card in the right hand corner, so go show her some love. The nail polish I'm using today is the Peely Base by Hollow Taco, the white LA Colors Color Last polish named Evermore, the sky blue LA Colors Color Craze polish named Ocean View, the baby pink LA Colors Color Craze polish named Aloha, and the regular glossy taco by Hollow Taco. And if you're ready, let's get started with this tutorial. I first applied my Peely Beast coat, then once that dried, I applied the white polish to all of my nails, and I applied 2 to 3 coats to get it fully opaque, and I cleaned up any mess with acetone on a cleanup nail brush. Now whenever I'm doing a singular gradient on my nail, I usually just use peel-off tape nail protectors, and the ones I use are non-latex free, so if you have a latex allergy, these are good for you. Now they are tricky to apply, but once you have them on, they shouldn't move or stick to each other, and they easily peel off in one piece. For gradients, I always use a disposable makeup sponge, and for this gradient, I first applied the blue polish, then the pink in the middle, and the white polish last. And since my nails are smaller, I'm making sure the gradient isn't too big, otherwise all of the colors won't show up on my nail. And if the gradient isn't perfect, it's okay. It's better to do thin coats, letting the gradient dry, and blending it and building up the color, rather than doing thick coats and not blending the gradient and having it be a mess. Now, since I'm not using nail vinyls today, you don't have to worry about peeling up the nail protector right away. And if there is any mess, just clean it up using a nail art brush with a bit of acetone. Now the last thing to do is to apply the glossy top coat to your nails, and your mani is complete. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, watch another video, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. I'll leave links to my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok if you want to follow me on there as well. I'll see you on the next one. Adios!